Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're going to be unboxing a phone wallet that I bought on eBay. Alright guys, I had a phone call, so of course the video is going to be all fucked up now, but let me go ahead and pull these off. Okay. So we have a Samsung, let's see what it is, the A717. See, it kind of looks like the 610. That's what Sprint, I think it is, the 610. And here we have another Samsung M300. All I bought this because the other one I had quit working. So there's that. Then is a Motorola V400. We got one on that eBay lot, but this one looks to be in a lot better shape. And then we have a Motorola V60. This one's with Verizon. I think it's a little different, so let's go take a look at this one. Let me open it up. Alright, and there's only going to be like two in this one. Yeah. So here is the Samsung T3 something it is. The 349. And then this looks like the Samsung wafer is kind of why I got this one. The Samsung A727. Like I said, it's very close looking to the Samsung wafer that's with Verizon. So I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing, and stay tuned for the next one.